Since starting our company over 15 years ago, NextWave CNC has continually set the industry standards for quality American-made CNC machines. Now, with our newest line of Shark CNCs, we're offering professionals and hobbyists a wide range of size options, unprecedented power, flexibility, and unparalleled quality craftsmanship. America's #1 CNC is now available from well-known retailers like Rockler Woodworking and Hardware, Woodcraft Store, and Grizzly Industrial, along with hundreds of other quality independent retailers who stock and sell the Shark brand and NextWave CNC accessories. Whether you are upgrading your machine with the newest accessories or buying your first Shark CNC, NextWave CNC and our retail partners have everything you need to get to work. Find a nearby official retailer by visiting our website at nextwavecnc.com/where to purchase. We also offer our full line of Shark CNC machines, our quality NextWave CNC accessories, and Shark logo wear on our web stores at nextwavecnc.com/shop. There you will also find how-to videos, informative articles, and everything you need to know to get started with your new Shark CNC. And easy financing is available for businesses or hobbyists who are purchasing a Shark through our partnership with ClickLease. Details are available on our website. To learn more or view other videos, visit us online at nextwavecnc.com. Shark, world class, made in USA.